Create your virtual machine in the Brilliant Cloud portal in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Visit www.bcpbrilliant.com. Sign up and log in to the Brilliant Cloud portal. Step 2. Navigate to the Instance section under the Compute menu on the left-hand side. Then click Create. Step 3. Select your operating system and version. You can choose your desired operating system available here. Next, choose your desired volume type and size from the available flavor. Pick a VM package from the available options and name your instance. Then select your subnet or create subnet from the network menu. Select your security group, or you can create a new security group using the plus icon. We'll cover these 2 steps in detail in the next part of the video, so stay tuned till the end. After that, select your key pair, or you can create a new key pair using the plus icon. A key pair ensures secure access to your virtual machine. It acts as a digital lock and key. You can also enable Startup Script. This will allow you to automate setup tasks on VM launch, as example, install software or configure settings automatically. Step 4. Your VM is ready to launch. Review your configuration and launch your instance simply. In this tutorial video, we'll walk you through the individual steps to create a subnet and a security group explained clearly and simply. To create a subnet, do the following actions. Navigate to the Network section of the left menu bar section and select Subnet. Click Create. Give your subnet a name. Choose an existing VPC or create new VPC from VPC menu. Enter IPv4 CIDR block. Input a proper CIDR block in this format, 10.10.024. Now, jump into creating security group. Follow the below steps. Navigate to the Network section of the left menu bar section and select Security Group. Click on the Create button. Give your security group a name and description. Press Confirm. Your new security group is created successfully. We hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tutorials with Brilliant Cloud.